Hi everyone, just making a quick video regarding these Mitsubishi Outlander it's not the Sport, it's just a regular Outlander. I believe it's from like 2015 through 2018. I'm not sure, I forgot when they changed the shape. I think it was like 2019 they changed the shape, but it's this shape right here. It's a just regular Outlander. I believe it was made from 2018 through or 2015 through 2018, but I'm not sure 100%. Anyways, what happened to my parents' Outlander? They have the SE model with this all-wheel drive system. So if you have the emergency brake that has it's called electronic or electric emergency brake, which it's a button. It's not a lever. It's a button that you press. So if you have that button, then I guess it probably goes. If it gets rusted, it goes bad. If you like never use it, once it goes bad, if you ever use that button, the caliper will lock on. Sorry, there's a motorcycle coming through. So if you use that button, your caliper will lock on to your brakes, to your rotor, and it's not gonna let go. So the only way to get this fixed is you have to change the caliper. So the caliper on that car, believe it or not, is $900. Yes, it's $900 per each, and you have 4 of those calipers. So if each caliper goes bad, that's $900 times 4. This caliper has a special sensor. This sensor, I guess it senses like the emergency brake, which is electronic. It has a sensor, and the only way to get that released, if it gets stuck, is to replace the rotors. So it's $900 for each rotor plus tax. No one makes these besides the dealer. You can only buy it at the Mitsubishi dealership. That's what happened to my car. I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander SE. It's all-wheel drive, and that's what happened to my car. It was about like $900 per each. So I think it cost me $3,000. Yeah, it's insane. I called all the places and all the shops and all the, I searched all over the internet. No one makes those special calipers that have the electronic emergency brake. Yeah, electronic emergency brake. And you'll see the light come on your dash, and you're gonna hear like beeping. It's gonna be beeping like alarm clock. If that goes bad, and it's gonna say like service emergency brake or something like that. That's what it's gonna say. It's gonna keep beeping when you have the car on, when you're driving it. It's gonna just keep beeping loudly like a loud alarm clock, and it's gonna just say service emergency brake, or service emergency brake. It's gonna keep like flashing and beeping. So believe it or not, this is $800. Some places have it for like $850, and some dealerships have it for $900. No one else besides the dealer will sell that caliper. So do not buy these cars that have the button for your emergency brake. If you can, just get the one that has the lever. It's like a lever that you pull up, like the old school emergency brake. Those are pretty cheap. Those are like $100 for each caliper. But if you see Mitsubishi Outlander for sale that has the emergency brake that's a button, do not buy it, because I'm telling you, I guarantee you, if you don't believe me, you can research this for yourself. It's going to be $900 for each caliper. That's only for the caliper. You also have to sometimes buy the rotor and the pad, because if the pad and the rotor got stuck because of that defective, it's a defective caliper. It's a defect from Mitsubishi, because Mitsubishi is junk. Mitsubishi is the least reliable brand out of all Japanese cars. So I know like they're actually like not expensive when they're brand new, but there's a reason for that. They're not expensive because they want you to buy it, and actually the maintenance is actually kind of expensive. It's almost like on BMW. So yeah, so if you see the emergency button, the brake, it's called like electronic emergency brake that comes with Mitsubishi Outlander, do not buy that car. Actually, as a matter of fact, do not buy any Mitsubishi at all. If you cherish your money, do not buy any Mitsubishi. It's a money pit. They're not reliable, even though they're actually cheap when you buy them brand new, and you know when they are used, then they don't really hold their value. But when it comes fixing something, they are kind of expensive. Like some things on those cars are very expensive. Like I'm talking about like BMW prices, you know, $900 for each caliper. That's really insane, you know, and you cannot buy that part anywhere besides the dealership. All right, thank you for watching, everyone. Take care and have a good day.